Hello students and welcome back to the art class. I'm sure you all are very excited for Diwali, which is coming up very soon. So today I have a very interesting and super easy Diwali drawing for you. You all love to decorate your house along with your parents on Diwali. So today let's draw a scene of Diwali where somebody is decorating the house and somebody is getting gifts. We all gift our loved ones on Diwali to show our love and care for them. Right? So let's begin. To begin with, I'm first going to make a little girl who is making the rangoli. I've already taught you how to draw human figures. This is a sitting pose that we are going to make. Draw a circle or an oval for the face. Make the hair. 2 ears on the sides. Now on Diwali, we all like to dress up in traditional Indian clothes. So I'm going to make her wear a lehenga, an Indian dress. I've made eyebrows, nose and lips for her. Now let's make her eyes. Now since she's making a rangoli which is on the floor, her eyes will be a little downwards, children. Just see. First, make a semicircle like this for the eyelids. Another semicircle for the eyeballs. Now make a hair, whichever hairstyle you want to make for her. You can add some hair accessories. Two lines for the neck and join. Now, what do we do next? You all remember? 2 slanting lines, small for the shoulders. Now, before we make the hands, let's make the upper body because then it's going to be very easy for you. This is the upper body. And now, let's make the lower body. For the lower body, since she's wearing a lehenga and sitting on her knees, we are going to make a curve like this, all right? And at the back, we are going to write a C, a slight C. And now join this till there. Done? Now let's make the hands, children. For the hands come out of the shoulders. So 1 and 2 lines like this. 1 and 2. Done. Arms and the hands. You can thumb and then 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. If you find this difficult, what you do? You make the thumb, draw the thumb, make a U and 1, 2 and 3. And I can probably make a little flower in her hand by just making a small cloud shape. Now, let's make the other hand. Now children, we will have to remove the lines of the dress which are coming on top. So let's carefully remove them. And in the other hand, you can show another flower or maybe a plate or a tray that she's holding. Another flower I've made. Let me erase all the extra lines. As you can see, I've erased them. Let's give her some ornaments to wear. Because we all know we like to dress up in Indian clothes. Now you can give her some jewelry, some necklace. And then let's give her a dupatta. You can make your favorite designs on the dupatta and lehenga. So I'm making the design. Now children, for her shoes, for her feet, obviously, yes, she will not wear shoes. Thank you so much. And now we'll make a rangoli. You can make a rangoli of any shape, any design that you like. What I am doing, I'm making a big oval shape. And this is going to be my rangoli. Let's remove any extra lines that we've got. Let's make a beautiful flower in the center by first making a small circle. Then petals. You may draw any design of your choice. Let's double the edges of this rangoli design. Children, you can do any decorations, any patterns you can draw. You can add more leaves, petals. Now, similarly on the sides, maybe you can have circles or you can maybe have diamond shapes, whatever you want to do. Or maybe these could be diyas on the sides. Now, since we have to decorate, let's make some diyas, as many as you want. Now, here comes a little boy with some gifts in his hand. So, the face, boy's hair, I've taught you. A curve go up like this and then like this. 2 C's on the sides for the ears, eyebrows, L for the nose, lips, eyes. So he's looking towards this side because the other child is sitting there and working on the rangoli. Neck. Let's make a nice kurta for the boy. 2 lines for the shoulders, children. Then after making the shoulders, this time since he's holding gifts in his hand, so I've taught you already how to do this. 2 standing lines and then sleeping line, double and join. L. Hands are like folded as L. Now here comes the thumb up. Same, other hand, thumb goes up. Fine. And then just do like this. A curve. Below, those are the fingers. And we can just show 1 or 2 lines. Now, here we are going to make the gift boxes, or you can make a plate full of sweets and laddus. So here he comes with a gift box in his hand. Bring the lines down to complete the kurta, and then the pajama pants. Feet, it's time to put some decorations at the back, and we are done. So you can add some diyas at the back, or you can draw a house. I'm making something very simple, children, for you. Just adding some diyas. You can decorate the diyas. And let's hang some lanterns. See? Make a rectangle. Okay? And then like a jellyfish. Don't they have legs like jellyfish? Done. And you can decorate it further by making this cross in the center like this. It's time to begin coloring. As you all can see, I've already outlined the Diwali scene. Now let's begin coloring. I've picked up my skin color to color the faces and hands of these kids. You all can see that I've not made any firecrackers. As you all know, Delhi is already getting so polluted. The pollution levels are very high and we should not burst crackers, children, because they pollute the environment. They are extremely harmful for our lungs. And cracker factories employ small children in cracker making process. Little babies are supposed to go to school. They're supposed to enjoy. They're not supposed to work, and especially in cracker factories with such harmful chemicals coming on them. Children, so that's why I want to tell you all that please do not burst crackers. Light up as many diyas as you would want. Light up lanterns, light up the sky with lanterns, but not firecrackers, okay? Pick up any favorite color for the dresses of these kids. In case you've made some designs, you may do them with the sketch pen. Pick up your sketch pen and fill up the design with the sketch pen. Pick up another color for her lehenga. I'm picking up this color. You all can see that I'm coloring neatly. I love to color. Colors are so vibrant and rich. They make me feel so happy. I hope they do the same to you. Done? Now you can maybe color her hairband. The design, you may use the sketch pen. I'm okay with using the color, so I'm using the color. Now it's time to color the boys kurta also. Pick up a color of your choice for the boys kurta. I'm taking a blue color. Inside the lines, in one direction, without leaving white spaces, and don't color inside the gift, children. The gift is going to be with a different color, else everything is going to get mixed up. It's time to color the rangoli with your favorite colors. Make it very, very bright and beautiful, and you can have a similar rangoli in front of your house too. So this is also almost complete, you can see. Pick up your favorite colors. There's no need to do the same color as I'm doing. You may change colors in the petals. Almost done. Just giving the finishing touches to the rangoli. Color neatly, please. Pick up our yellow color and color the flame, the fire. And diyas can be colorful. Use your favorite colors of your choice. Make sure not to rest your hand, otherwise you all know, I've told you previously also, you may rotate your sheet like this. So I'm alternating. I wanted to alternate actually. I Let me do a darker color which will look nice on it. Similarly, let's color the lanterns, the beautiful Diwali lanterns, bright and giving a lot of light. So you see, children, festivals and colors spread and bring so much happiness in our lives. Almost there. Color them all with the same color, or maybe you may choose 2 different colors. To keep it a little simple for you, I've done the same color. Rest, it's up to you. Now what is left? Yes, the diyas on the ground are left near the rangoli. So let's color them as well. Now children, since the gift box is a very thin one, so I'm using my sketch pen to color it so that it's easier. Anywhere else you want to use this sketch pen for the design, you may do that at the same time. And now we have the hair left, and the boys' chappals have to be done. The slippers have to be colored. And similarly, the ribbon on the gift, again you may color with a sketch pen or whatever is easier. It's time to color the hair. Now for the hair also, you may pick up your sketch pen and just neatly color the hair. Yes, the girls' feet are still left. We need to color them. Now, I've taken my light pink, done the lips also.
Wishing you all
Diwali
a
scene
very
drawing
happy,
is all
prosperous, bright, cracker-free and safe Diwali, children. See you next time. Bye-bye.